good afternoon to everyone. We are very pleased to inform all the citizens of especially Tura town, the Garo Hills region and the state as a whole that the athletic track and field stadium was inaugurated today here in Tura, and this is state-of-the-art stadium with facilities and the qualities that are at national and international level, and this has been completed in a record time. We wanted to complete this before the 5th Meghalaya Games, and we are happy that we were able to do it, and I must congratulate the Honorable Minister as well as the entire sports department for having completed this stadium on time, and so that we can now use it for the 5th Meghalaya Games, which will start from the 15th of this month. This is one of the stadiums, apart from many more, which we are constructing throughout the state. In the next few months, we will see a number of stadiums being inaugurated in Jaintia Hills and in Khasi Hills regions also. And at the same time, within the next 2 years, we will see the state-of-the-art indoor stadiums in Shillong and Tura also being completed very soon. And hence, as has been